So make your poi short. Let's start in the buzzsaw. And then what I want to do is practice collapsing it down from overhand. Right, so you're in your overhand buzzsaw and then just resting it down on the left hand and going back up to vertical. And back down to the left hand and back up to vertical. Let's drill your left hand, okay? So you're like this. And let's practice going from this vertical. We're tipping it, we're tipping it, we're tipping it, and then it's flat. And then we get it tipped again and back to vertical. And then tip it horizontal, or tip it towards the side and then come down to horizontal. And then bring it back up to vertical. And then tip it back down to horizontal. And then bring it back up to vertical. And then tip it back down to horizontal, resting on top of the left hand. And bringing it back up to vertical. So the poi is vertical. And then you're going to tip it to the left so that it comes underneath the right arm flat. And this will be on top of the buzzsaw. And then you're going to tip it back up and get it back to vertical. And then we're going to tip it down again, let it fall below the right arm so that it's horizontal. And then we're going to bring it back up to vertical. And we're going to tip it again, let it fall down so that it comes underneath the right arm. And then come back up to vertical. And then we're going to tip it again, let it fall down, come underneath the right arm. So it would be on top. Bring it back up to vertical, pull towards you, pull towards you, pull towards you. And one more time, last time, let it fall down, fall down, fall down, fall down. Get it flat, and bring it back up, come up to vertical. From here, and then we're going to fall down onto your left arm. So your left's on bottom, your right's on top. Yes, 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 yes. And then bring it back up to vertical. And then let it come back down to horizontal on the left. And then back up to vertical. And then back down to horizontal on the left. And then back up to vertical. And then back down to horizontal on the left. Yeah, and now back up to vertical. And one more time, back down to horizontal on the left. And back to vertical.